She used to drink the Boston tap water, and she's doing okay. Fuck. Well, this show's about to take a dark turn. Or that's what I call it when Latrice does a pirouette. And Ben de la Creme isn't here, so I guess I get to be the superstar. Or maybe Ben de la Creme was here, but he left in the middle. I feel like... You know Ben de la Creme, the famous queen from Seattle. Can you guys just give me a signal if Jinx is like inching towards me, please? You know, it's been kind of a weird week and a half. I mean, I remember simpler times when people were mad about Thorgy writing a note on a piece of paper. And now people are really mad about 100,000 pieces of paper. But you know what, bitch? Rewatch that episode. The only two queens who wanted Shangela on the top were me and fucking Thorgy.
Yes.
I said, Shangela deserves it. Thorgy said, Shangela, the jury, we all said she deserved it. The jury said, you know what? You've got a point. You've got a point. Death drop. No, and Shangela loves TV, so I did the right thing. I took my $100,000, I went to the store, I bought a huge TV, I went to Shangela's house, and I gave her the box. She loves it. She pops in and out. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Our other non-top two BB Zahara Benet, you guys. Yes. All the way from Africa. Hey, kitty girl, it's your third world. When you walk the street, barefoot wearing sheets, hey, kitty girl.
Oh my God.
You guys, she is so full of shit though. We should call her BB Zahara Bidet. And I have more BB jokes, but out of respect for them. And I love Kennedy. I was so ready to lose to her. She's so fucking fierce. So ready. I call her TLC because just like the popular group, her left eye's also dead. Okay. Thank you. Everybody shut up. If you interrupt me in the middle, I'm gonna call you Milk, okay? You guys, Ginger Minge, I'm not saying she's getting old.